One of the most well-known shows is Bel Air. In relation to the announcement of the third season, there have been a number of instances. So, will Bel Air get a third season? When will the third season premiere? Continue watching to learn more about the show. To get the most recent notices, buy in and press the chime symbol. Is there going to be a third season of Bel Air? Peacock history has been made as Bel Air has been renewed for a third season. Bel Air Season 2 keeps up with its exaggerated interpretation of the new ruler. However, it has developed since the first episode, which aired on April 27. Instead of being the point of convergence of dispute Will Smith, Jabari Banks is calm with his family and his new beginning of opulence. Some of the focus has shifted to the series' other connections as a result of this move, which has increased the number of connections and character interactions. When will the third season of Bel Air air? The third season of the show will air in 2019. It has quite recently entered creation, so it will require an investment to be delivered. What would the third season of Bel Air be about? The stunt of Bel Air is in its idea, which fundamentally takes the comedic parts of New Ruler and dives into them to make show. The second season manages to strike a balance between the soapy elements and the team's playful bond. Carlton is clearly exerting himself, but his expectations of himself are unreasonable. However, he and Will are no longer at odds. He needs Uncle Phil to keep telling him to let Will make his own decisions, which could lead to problems in the final episodes of Bel Air Season 2 and bring back old wounds. However, knowing that the series would not end there is comforting. From this plotline, the storyline for Season 3 would continue. We will inform you whenever new information becomes available. Subscribing to your favorite shows and pressing the bell icon will keep you informed.